students, it's a good topic. That spherical mirrors, reflecting spherical mirrors. क्या होता है? एक कांच का स्फेयर है, समझ गए? जैसे मछली पालते ना अपन लोग, वी फीड फिशेस, फिशिंग टैंक, स्फेरिकल शेप, उसी तरह से बिग स्फेयर ऑफ ग्लास. ओके, if this is a glass sphere, transparent, and I cut from the center, just like a cricket ball. You have seen cricket ball. You can see the stitches at the some places, and you remove the stitches, you will get the two spherical ball, hemisphere. Okay, one hemisphere and one hemisphere. Connect them, sphere. This is sphere, and this is a hemisphere. When you paint inside and you see from this side, this is a convex mirror. If you paint from this side and look your face from this side, it will be concave mirror. If you see Nag in front of you, that is a concave mirror. If you see Nag or cobra from back side, that will be convex mirror. Okay, this is concave, this is convex. One more example I have. You take a steel spoon. Steel spoon. When you see yourself from the inner part, this is concave. And when you reverse the spoon and see yourself, that is a convex. Okay. So spherical mirrors are the mirrors. Spherical mirrors are what? Definition is very important. The spherical mirrors are the mirrors in which the inner portion or outer portion is silvery painted, and the mirrors obtained from the sphere is called spherical mirror. There are two types of the spherical mirror, concave and convex. If the inner part is painted, it will become convex mirror, and we see our face from the swelled part or outer part. When we paint outer part or swelled part and we see the swallow part, inner part, we see our face, that is called concave mirror. This is called convex mirror. If you see a sphere like this sphere, center of the sphere is called center of curvature. What is the center of curvature? The center of curvature of spherical mirror. Center of curvature of a spherical mirror is present at the center of the sphere from which mirror is made. Center of curvature is the point at the center of the sphere. समझिए, center of the sphere from which mirror is made. जिस स्फेयर से मिरर बनाया जाता है, उसका जो स्फेयर का सेंटर होता है, उसको अपन बोलते हैं सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर इज दिस. ओके, इट इज एट द सेंटर ऑफ स्फेरिकल मिरर और स्फेयर फ्रॉम मिरर इज मेड. कॉन्वेक्स का भी वैसी होता है, कॉनकेव का भी वैसी होता है. कॉन्वेक्स का भी अंदर होता है, कॉनकेव का भी अंदर ही होता है. ओके, नाउ what is aperture? If you have seen matka in which we fill water. Okay, you break matka, you will get a small portion of the curvature. This is called aperture. Aperture is the part of a mirror, part of the sphere which is completely mirror. Whatever the painted portion, that is called mirror or aperture. Aperture directly faces the light. Bigger the aperture, large light can be accepted by the mirror. You will get more amount of light in aperture. So aperture is the portion. Aperture is the complete mirror. or a part of the sphere from mirror is made. Okay, this is called aperture. This Mn is called aperture. This red is aperture. Okay. Now what is focus? What is principal axis? A line passes through middle of the aperture. If this is aperture and this is the center, this is called pole, and a line passes through the pole perpendicular to the aperture, that line is called principal axis, and the spelling is Principal, not PLE. PLE principle means Siddhant, and PAL principle means Mukhya, main. Okay, this is the main axis. The principal axis is the line passes through the center and touches the center of this aperture. Center of the aperture, that is called pole. If the line passes through pole, we can say it is the principal axis. It passes through the pole, it passes through the center of curvature. This line is called principal axis, and this is the main axis of the sphere, spherical mirror. Now, what is convex mirror? Convex mirror is the part of the sphere from mirror is made, and the inner portion is painted by the silvery painted, and we see from the outer portion, outer part, this is called convex mirror. If the outer portion is painted silvery and we see from the inner portion, is called concave mirror, and it is made from the sphere. Okay, so what is center of curvature? Center of curvature is a point at the center of the sphere from which mirror is made. Okay, what is pole? Center of the aperture is called pole. What is focus? Focus is the point on principal axis. This is called principal focus, main focus, mukhya focus. Focus is the point where all parallel rays to the principal axis. Principal axis is this, and all rays coming parallel to principal axis after reflection meet at a point on the principal axis, whether appears to meet or meet. Appears to meet or meet. In convex mirror, it is appears to meet. In concave mirror, it meet. Okay, it meets. So the parallel rays parallel to principal axis after reflection meet at a point on principal axis. That point is called focus, and focus is always half of the radius of curvature. What is the radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere, or we can say the distance of pole to center of curvature. The distance of pole to center of curvature is called radius of curvature, and the half of the distance of radius of curvature is called focus. So we can say focus is F is equal to R by 2. If radius of curvature is 18 centimeter, then radius of curvature is 18 centimeter, then focus is 9 centimeter. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Okay. So focus is the point, principal focus is the point on principal axis where all parallel rays parallel to principal axis, all parallel rays and parallel to principal axis after reflection meet at a point or appears to meet at a point. Good concentration. Meet at a point or appears to meet at a point. In convex mirror, it is appears to meet at a point. In concave mirror, it meet at a point. Okay. So कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में अपेयर होता है, आभास होता है कि मिल रहा है, और कॉन्केव मिरर में मिल जाता है. समझ गए? बट इफ ऑल पैरेलल रेज कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द मिरर but they are not parallel to principal axis. Then these rays after reflection meet at a point on principal plane. Principal plane is, if this is a principal axis and this is a plane, okay, at focus, the principal plane always at focus, but perpendicular to principal axis. Perpendicular to principal axis. This is a focal plane and this point is focus. At a focus, the plane perpendicular to principal axis is called focal plane. If parallel rays not parallel to principal axis after reflection meet or appears to meet on a plane, that is called फोकल प्लेन. यानी कि फोकस के ऊपर एक परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन होता है, जैसे कागज होता है ना, ऐसा परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन होता है. उस प्लेन में कहीं पे मिलेगा, लेकिन वो रेस आपस में तो पैरेलल होंगी लेकिन प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल नहीं होंगी. वो भी अपियर्स टू मीट होगा और मीट एट ए पॉइंट होगा, बट ऑन द प्लेन. यानी कि इतना बड़ा प्लेन है, कहीं पे मिल सकता है वो, यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे. गॉट इट? दिस इज कॉल्ड focus and this is called focal plane. This all are the fundamental lines of the spherical mirrors. Okay, so what is image? What is image? When the ray, when object, we'll study the portion of image in the next lecture. So bye bye students, have a nice time. God bless you all. सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो और कमेंट करो.